In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the import and export settings in ClickUp, a versatile and comprehensive project management tool designed to streamline your workflows and boost productivity. We'll walk through the steps to efficiently manage your data imports, whether you're transferring files from your local device or integrating with other applications. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive into it. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account to follow along. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time here. ClickUp's interface is remarkably user-friendly, designed to make managing tasks and teams as intuitive as possible. Now navigate over to your profile. It's usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several options. From these, select Settings. Clicking on this will redirect you to a new page brimming with various configuration possibilities for your account. This settings page is your gateway to customizing your ClickUp experience, from notifications to privacy settings and more. But today, we're focusing on a specific area. Find and click on the Imports/Exports option. This is typically situated within the sidebar, designed to help you manage how you want to transfer information into ClickUp or out of it. Upon clicking Imports/Exports, you'll have the option to choose between importing from local files or from other apps. This is particularly useful depending on where your data currently resides. If you're importing from local files, simply click that option. A file upload dialog should appear, allowing you to select files directly from your computer. Be sure your files are in a supported format. ClickUp generally provides a list of acceptable formats to avoid any snags during this step. If, on the other hand, you're importing from apps, ClickUp will facilitate connections with a variety of platforms, ensuring a smooth integration process. Select the app you're transferring data from and follow any additional instructions that may appear on screen. Most integrations are designed to be direct and seamless, reducing the need for extensive adjustments once your data is imported. And that's it. You've effectively navigated through the import/export settings in ClickUp. With these steps, you should now be better equipped to manage your data efficiently, facilitating smoother workflows and enhanced collaboration within your teams. Whether you're new to ClickUp or just brushing up on features, these insights aim to maximize your use of this powerful tool. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or comments below. Happy task managing!